The 1970 Ford Mustang Boss 429 is one of the most legendary muscle cars ever built, known for its massive big block power, aggressive styling, and racing heritage. Ford designed this beast to dominate NASCAR, equipping it with a powerful 7.0 all-429 V8 engine, making it one of the most sought-after Mustangs of all time. With limited production and an exclusive performance-tuned setup, the Boss 429 became a collector's dream and a true American muscle car icon. From its wide stance and bold hood scoop to its raw power under the hood, the Boss 429 remains one of the most powerful and rarest Mustangs ever made. The 1970 Mustang Boss 429 was built for performance and speed, featuring a low, wide stance and aerodynamic bodywork that made it stand out. The most recognizable feature was the large functional hood scoop, designed to force air into the massive 429 V8 engine. It had a long hood, short rear deck, and flared fenders, giving it a muscular and race-ready look. The Boss 429 came in a range of bold colors, including grabber blue, calypso coral, and Wimbledon white, with subtle 429 badging on the fenders to distinguish it from other Mustangs. Ford even reinforced the shock towers and front suspension to handle the car's immense power, making it not just a beauty, but a true high-performance machine. Inside, the Boss 429 combined classic Mustang styling with performance-focused details. The high back bucket seats, wood-grain dash, and three-spoke Mustang steering wheel provided a mix of comfort and sportiness. The dashboard featured a full set of analog gauges, including a tachometer, reminding drivers that this Mustang was built for serious performance. The Hearst manual shifter, with its short-throw design, gave drivers complete control over the monstrous engine under the hood. While the interior wasn't as luxurious as some other Mustangs, it was purpose-built for speed and driving excitement. The Boss 429's engine was its most legendary feature, a 7.0 all-429 V8 that produced a factory-rated 375 horsepower and 450 pounds-ft of torque. However, many experts believe the actual output was well over 500 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful Mustangs ever built. Designed for NASCAR racing, the 429 engine featured aluminum cylinder heads, a massive intake manifold, and an upgraded cooling system to handle extreme performance. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission and a traction lock rear differential, the Boss 429 could launch from 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5.3 seconds, an incredible feat for its time. The stiffened suspension, power front disc brakes, and upgraded sway bars helped it handle better than most muscle cars of its era, making it a true street and track monster.